Hello, today we are going to demonstrate Atomica Splint module. First, we will open the guide software and load the Atom file. Then we will add our STL files from Add button. We will choose each arch, or you can load any primitive file. We can also create a base for our STL file to get it ready for printing. Here it is. To create the splint, you need to select the arch, then start guide generation. The first option is to segment teeth using AI feature in the software and select the first tooth. And the last tooth, you want the splint to extend. You will find the tooth already highlighted and ready for splint generating. You can modify both splint thickness and teeth offset from the menu on the left. Also, regarding undercuts, we have two options. The first one, to leave it as it is to increase retention, and the other one, to block it according to the path of insertion. Then we click Generate to make our splint. Here is our splint. Let's make it smoother from this button. Here we can crop as much as we want from this tool. Also, we can easily label it from here. The other method to create splint is to manually paint the area we want our splint to extend. You can extend the selected area or decrease it using Shift key and the scroll in your mouse. Here we will choose the manual undercut method, and the camera direction will act as your path of insertion. You will find out that the software did a new model with blocked undercut. Also, you can do as much sculpting as you want on the fabricated guide. Let's smooth this area a little bit. This was a quick demo on Atomica New Splint module. Feel free to contact us for more details.